Find the largest possible real part of 75 plus 117i times z plus 96 plus 144i over z, where z is a complex number with the modulus of z is equal to 4. If the modulus of z is equal to 4, we can write it in polar form as 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x, where x is the argument of z. And subsequently, we can rewrite this whole expression and find its real part. 75 plus 117i times 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x plus 96 plus 144i over 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x. It's easy to get the real part from here. That's just 75 times 4 cosine x, which is 300 cosine x. You could either get it like that, or you could do this. 117i times 4i sine x. I times I is -1, so that's a real number. 117 times 4 is 468, and that times -1 is minus 468, and we have sine x. So we need 300 cosine x minus 468 sine x plus the real part of this stuff. Now, finding the real part of this is a little trickier, but it's easy after we make use of the identity z times z bar equals the modulus of z squared, where z bar is the complex conjugate of the complex number z. In other words, if z equals a plus bi, then z bar equals a minus bi. So in this case, 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x times 4 cosine x minus 4i sine x is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. And we're multiplying 96 plus 144i here by 1 over 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x. But from here, we know that 16 over 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x is 4 cosine x minus 4i sine x. So 1 over 4 cosine x plus 4i sine x is this thing times 1 over 16. So let's put what we want all down here. 300 cosine x minus 468 sine x plus the real part of 1 over 16 times 96 plus 144i times 4 cosine x minus 4i sine x. One 1/16 of 96 plus 144i is just 6 plus 9i. The real part of 6 plus 9i times 4 cosine x minus 4i sine x. And all that plus 300 cosine x minus 468 sine x. And now it's easy to find the real part. All we need to do is 24 cosine x. 9i times 4i is minus 36. So the negative of minus 36 is plus 36. And that's 24 cosine x plus 36 sine x. So 300 cosine x plus 24 cosine x, 324 cosine x, minus 468 plus 36 is minus 432 sine x. We need the maximum possible value of 324 cosine x minus 432 sine x. Now, if you notice here, 324 and 432 are in the ratio 3 over 4. And this might suggest something to do with a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And indeed, we can express this as 540 times 3/5 cosine x minus 4/5 sine x. Now, if we let A be an angle whose sine is equal to 3 over 5, 3/5, in other words, A equals arc sine 3/5, then cosine A is equal to 4/5. And in terms of A, this is just equal to 540 times sine A cosine X minus cosine A sine X. But this is just 540 sine A minus X. The maximum value of sine is 1, and therefore the maximum possible value of this expression is equal to 540. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please follow our channel if you would like to see more videos.